My name's Stephanie and I'm with Ben Franklin Crafts in Monroe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make yarn pumpkins. The supplies you'll need is yarn from our yarn department. We have lots of styles. These specific ones are the ones I used in my display. You'll need craft foam balls. We have lots of sizes. The sizes I'm using are 4-inch and 3-inch. And then you'll need large-eyed needles. Use these yarn needles from our yarn department. Another thing you'll need is a drill with a 3/4-inch drill bit to drill the hole, and then a stick, something from your yard, just for a stem. Okay, let's get started. To start, you'll take one of your craft balls. I'm using the 3-inch, and you'll need to use your drill and a 3/4-inch drill bit to drill a hole in the center. So you've got your hole all the way through. It's a little messy, so we'll just kind of brush that off. And then another supply you'll need is a knife. I'm using a serrated edge knife just to cut the top and the bottom off, just so it'll sit nice once it's all done. So you just trim so it's flat on both sides. And so there you have your foam ball. Then you'll take your yarn, thread it through the needle. I already did that. And this particular pumpkin, I used for the 3-inch about 6 yards of this thicker yarn. So you'll just thread it through the center and pull it through. And then you'll just, when you get to this end, you'll just kind of tuck it so that you can wrap it around and hide it, and it'll hold it in place. And then you just keep wrapping the yarn around the ball. Okay, now once you get to the end, you're just going to pull. You can do one more. It gets pretty tight towards the end, so sometimes you have to kind of help it get through there, and then just pull it through your last time. And then I have a little extra. You'll just cut off this bottom piece, and it'll just sort of tuck in there, and you have your pumpkin. And if you see a little styrofoam through, you can just sort of just move the yarn around a little bit. And then you'll just take a stick that you've cut from home, and you can just push it through the middle, and you can glue it if you want. If it's tight enough, you won't have to. And that's your yarn pumpkin. These are the different pumpkins that I made. Each one's done the same way. You just take the foam ball, cut the hole in the middle, cut the top and bottom off so it'll sit nice. You wrap the yarn through and then put the little stem in. The length of yarn will depend on the size of the yarn, the thickness of the yarn, and the size of the foam ball. This one's the 4-inch ball, and it's a little thicker, chunkier yarn, and I used approximately 12 yards. This one's the 3-inch, and it was approximately 6 yards. And this one will be a little less, or a little more, I'm sorry. It's a little thinner yarn. But you can use any size of styrofoam ball, any size of yarn, and I hope you enjoy making these fun projects.